Hey guys, Tim Lockpicking Patrolman here, and today I've got a quick update followed by a unboxing from an order that I placed, and then I've got a really big announcement at the end of the video. So stay tuned for that. Stay tuned through the unboxing. Anyway, just wanted to give y'all an update. I am still here. I'm okay. The last couple weeks have been really kind of crazy, both with work and personal stuff going on. I'm okay. I'm not on the front lines of any protesting or demonstration or anything like that. It's just been scheduling and other stuff like that going on. So anyway, I'm okay from that. This past Saturday, I didn't do a live, and I feel really bad for that, but I was just so worn out and just really tired and kind of needed a day off, guys. So anyway, I know that disappointed some of you, and I'm going to go ahead and say I'm going to disappoint you tomorrow, because I'm not going to be doing a live then either, but I'll, y'all know why. Anyway, so this is a package from, Brocage, aka lockpicks.com, and it's just a order that I put in, for some key blanks and some key pins. I think that's about it, really. But I wanted to do the unboxing on video just in case there's anything wrong. They were short on the one set of pins that I ordered. I think it was the 196 pins that I ordered, and you can see there, Lockpicks, Brocage. Let me look at my inventory real quick. But yeah, I think the 196 pins were on back order, and so they'll be shipped at a later date. Anyway, Brocage really does have good prices. That's where I order a lot of my stuff from. And I think they're pretty close to CLK Supplies for a lot of things, but otherwise they're pretty good. Let's see. So I was supposed to get, let's look at these here. Yeah, 50 of the KW1 keys. And that appears to be what we have right here. 50-ish. I don't know. I'll probably count them later after the video. I do make a lot of keys for people, here in the shop, and they're kind enough to pay me for them. Which in North Carolina, you don't need to be licensed just to make keys for people. Let's see here. We've got 225 and 285 pins. I was running short on them. Got some more blanks and some more pins. Look at the pins first. 300 pins, and let's see, 255 and 240. These are all mostly either Kwikset or Schlage cuts. And then I got a 100 pack of 3/4 inch split rings, because I was tired of having to scrounge them up everywhere. So I bought some. This will come in handy. And then I was supposed to get 20 of the Y11s, because Y11s are pretty common, especially for, well, I mean, Y11s can be used in daggone near everything. And then 10 of the regular SC1 blanks. I'm pretty good on SC1s. I don't cut a lot of them, but I wanted to go ahead and get some. So anyway, real fast, opening. The budget wasn't very big for lock stuff this go around, because my big announcement is tomorrow. The reason why I won't be doing a live video tomorrow morning is that I'm finally getting an air conditioner for the shop. This past Saturday, I did come out here for about an hour and a half maybe, just to piddle around on a few things, and it got up to 90 out here. And here it is, about 6:30, 7 o'clock in the evening, and I've had the windows cracked open just a little bit all week, but it is 87, between 86 and 88 degrees, somewhere in here. So it's hot. But tomorrow, good buddy of mine is going to come down, and we're going to install an air conditioning unit, finally. That way, I should, in theory at least, be able to do lives most Saturdays if I'm not working. And at the very least, I'll be cool enough to stay out here and really get some videos cranked out. But anyway, folks, I appreciate you tuning in. I appreciate y'all sticking with me. This past week, I lost like 8 subscribers. I don't care because, I don't know who they were, first off. But, if people unsubscribe from you because you don't put anything out every single week, then, oh well, they're not really real subscribers. But anyway, just want to share all this with you. I know y'all like seeing packages opened and stuff like that. So anyway, and I know y'all wanted to hear the update, but anyhow, I hope y'all are having a great week. I hope y'all have a great weekend tomorrow. And, stay safe, stay out of trouble, keep on picking, and we'll see you next time.